Understanding man-in-the-middle attacks, a threat to secure communications. Imagine sending a message you believe is confidential, only to find out that someone else is intercepting, modifying, or even stealing it. This isn't the stuff of movies, it's the reality of man-in-the-middle, MIM attacks. Today, we're breaking down how these attacks work and what you can do to safeguard your information. A MIM attack happens when a cybercriminal discreetly intercepts communications between two parties. While you and the person you're communicating with believe you're having a secure exchange, the attacker is secretly in the middle, listening, altering, or capturing the data in real time. It's similar to having a silent eavesdropper at your conversation who can even change what you say. Attackers can target a wide array of platforms, emails, text messages, websites, and even online financial transactions. By exploiting weak security measures and impersonating trusted parties, they can steal sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, and confidential documents. Pitfalls. Imagine connecting to free Wi-Fi at your favorite cafe. Unbeknownst to you, a cybercriminal has set up a rogue hotspot with a name nearly identical to the legitimate one. As you log in, your data, like login credentials and browsing activity, is intercepted and possibly misused. Phishings. Consider a scenario where you receive a seemingly authentic email directing you to a login page. Once you enter your credentials, the attacker quickly collects them, often rerouting you to the real website, leaving you none the wiser. MIM attacks generally follow a three-step process. Interception. The attacker positions themselves between you and the intended recipient. This can happen through unsecured Wi-Fi, malware on a device, or techniques like DNS spoofing that misdirect you to fraudulent websites. Manipulation. While remaining undetected, the hacker may alter the communication in real time. For instance, they could change a bank account number during a transaction, leading to unauthorized transfers. Exploitation. With the intercepted information in hand, the attacker can commit fraud, sell your data on the dark web, or carry out further malicious activities such as identity theft or corporate espionage. The insidious nature of MIM attacks is their stealth. Victims often remain unaware of the breach until it's too late. Sensitive data, ranging from personal logins to financial details and private conversations, can fall into the hands of criminals. For organizations, the stakes are even higher, as these attacks can lead to serious breaches that bypass internal security measures and compromise proprietary data. Use encrypted connections. Always prefer websites that use HTTPS over HTTP. Employ VPNs and secure messaging apps to add an extra layer of encryption to your communications. Steer clear of unsecured public Wi-Fi. If you must use public networks, consider using a VPN to secure your connection and safeguard your data. Verify certificates and links. Check website certificates and URLs before entering any sensitive information. Look for minor discrepancies like misspellings or the absence of HTTPS, which can be a red flag. Keep software up to date. Ensure that your operating system, antivirus programs, and firewalls are regularly updated. Outdated software can present vulnerabilities that attackers may exploit. Adopt multi-factor authentication. Using MFA adds another security barrier by requiring additional verification, making it significantly harder for hackers to gain access even if your password is compromised. As students and professionals in cybersecurity, you have a crucial role to play. Ethical hackers work to expose and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by criminals. By staying informed, educating others, and actively participating in the development of secure systems, you contribute to a safer digital ecosystem. Cybersecurity isn't just about technology, it's about people. The more you understand these threats, the better prepared you will be to defend against them. Start by applying these best practices in your daily digital life, and don't forget to share this knowledge with your peers. Together, we can build a community of vigilant, security-conscious digital citizens. Stay curious, stay secure, and remember, you are the first line of defense in protecting our digital world. Take action today.